In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text in Polotno Studio like a pro. First, open your browser and head to studio.polotno.com. Once the site loads, you can start a design from a template or continue with a project you've already been working on. Templates are great if you want a quick, polished foundation, while loading your existing project lets you keep building on what you've already created. Pick the option that best fits what you need right now. Next, click on the text box you want to edit. As soon as you select it, a toolbar will automatically appear along the upper part of the screen. This is your control center for everything related to text. If you don't see changes right away, make sure the text box itself is selected and not another element beneath it. Let's walk through what you can adjust. Start with the font style to set the tone of your design. Choose something that matches your purpose. Clean and modern for professional pieces, bold and playful for casual or social content. After picking a style, adjust the font size so your message is easy to read at a glance. Think about where the design will be viewed. Larger text is often better for mobile or posters, while smaller sizes can work for captions or subheadings. Now change the font color to create contrast and draw attention. Use high contrast colors against your background for readability, and consider sticking to your brand or theme colors for a cohesive look. If your design has a busy background, darker text on light areas or lighter text on dark areas will usually stand out best. You can also apply bold, italic, and underline to emphasize keywords or create hierarchy. Bold works well for headlines, italic can highlight quotes or emphasis, and underline is useful for links or headings that need extra attention. Use these sparingly so your design stays clean and the emphasis remains clear. Finally, add effects to make your text pop. Subtle shadows can separate text from the background, while outlines can boost visibility without changing your color scheme. You can also experiment with glow or other available effects to create depth or mood. Keep the strength of these effects balanced so they enhance your text without overpowering it. When you're happy with your changes, take a moment to review the overall design. Make sure everything is readable, consistent, and aligned with your goal. That's it. By selecting your text box and using the toolbar at the top, you've got everything you need to refine your font style, size, color, emphasis, and effects in Polotno Studio.